first of all, I like to thank the Mayweather family for accepting my despite. Finally, after 5 long years, he's going to fight me. Yes, he's going to fight me. But other than that, you know, this is for all the fans out there in boxing that want to see this fight. I will put the performance of my best for this fight. You know, I believe that Mayweather, she's a very good fighter, you know, but she's in the defense. But I will bring all of my offense towards this boxing fight, and will bring the champion belt to Philippines and celebrate in the Philippines. But for everybody who's watching, I want to know what is your thoughts on who will win this boxing match on May 2nd at the Las Vegas, Nevada in the MGM Grand Casino. You know, please let me know on the bottom of this post of this video, who will you go for in this fight. Until then, you know, I will see everybody afterwards, and I hope you all order in the pay-per-view if you are not watching, because it costs plenty much money to watch the fight. So have a great day everybody, and mabuhay.